Welcome to my YouTube channel. Touch, the soft movements, the satisfying release-here cleaning is more than just hygiene, it's a deeply relaxing experience. As the gentle strokes clear away the buildup, a wave of relief washes over you. Every tiny sound becomes crisper, every sensation more soothing, as if the world is settling into perfect harmony. Let yourself drift into relaxation, feel the tension melt away, and if you're enjoying this calming experience, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more soothing content. With every careful movement, clarity returns not just to your hearing, but to your mind. The release of pressure, the whisper of cleanliness, the refreshing lightness, it's a sensation of pure tranquility. The world suddenly feels quieter yet more alive, as if a fog has lifted. Ear cleaning isn't just